Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are clear with the prime factorization and also the rule of divisibility which you have learned in the previous video. So let's start with topic. Here we have new topic, factorizing a number into its prime factor. Let's take an example. Here we are asked to factorize 24 into its prime factor. First of all, we need to make this vertical arrangement, and here we are going to write 24. Now for factorization we are going to simply do the repetitive division. Here we are going to apply divisibility rule. As we have learned divisibility rule, first of all we are going to look at the unit place. We have 4 at unit place, means it will divide by 2. So we will start dividing 24 by 2. So as we will divide 24 by 2, what we will get here? We get answer as 12. Now again this 12 will have to divide by smallest prime number. So again it will divide by 2, and what we get answer is 6. Again this 6 will get divided by 2, and the answer we will get is 3. Now here, as 3 is itself a prime number, so this 3 will get divided by 3 and we get answer as 3 ones are. So this factorization, we are going to repeat this division till we don't get this answer 1. So here, what is the prime factor we are getting? We get the prime factor as multiple of these numbers. So here the prime factor is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So factorization is nothing but the multiple, it's a product of prime factors. Let's start with practice set 11. Here I have took this first example. Again, first of all we will have to make this vertical arrangement, and this way again here we are going to check with the divisibility rule by which smallest prime number we can divide. So here it has 2 at unit place, means it will divide by 2, and by doing this kind of division, this is nothing but the repetitive division. So this kind, by dividing, when we divide this 32 by 2, what we get answer as 16. So here, over here, we are going to write as 16. So same this division method you are going to repeat for every number till we don't get 1. So here again the 16 will get divided by 2 and answer we get as 8. Again same procedure we are going to apply and the answer we get as 4. Again the same procedure we are going to apply till we don't get answer over here 1. So now here what are the factors of this number? This is a multiple of these all number. So how to write factorization? 32 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. So this is the prime factor of this 32. Let's take one more example from this practice set 11. Here this is the 7th question. Again we are going to make this vertical arrangement and we will write this number. Now here first of all we will check our unit place. So here what we are having at unit place, we have 5, means it will definitely divide by 5. So we will start dividing this by 5. So here it will be 5 ones are 5, 2 will go carry out, it will become 25 and then again it will go. So answer what we are getting is 153. Now again you will have to check which smallest prime number can divide this 153. So here first of all we are going to check our unit place. As we do not have does not satisfy any of unit place rule of divisibility, we will have to check for 3. Now for 3, what is the rule? That we are supposed to add this all digit of number. So here 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5 plus 3. What we get answer as 9. Means it will divide by 3. So let's divide 153 by 3. So here we will start dividing them by 3. So what answer we will get? It is 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. So answer what we will get? It's 51. Now again we will have to check the divisibility rule, that by which smallest prime number it can get divided. So here as we will see, 51, 5 plus 1 becomes 6. That means it will divide by again 3. So when we divide by 3, what answer we get as 17. Now here 17 is itself a prime number. That means this 17 will get divided by 17 itself, and the answer 17 ones are. So here we'll stop this factorization. So here what we are getting as factors, so here what is a factor we are getting of 765? It's 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17. So this is how we can find the factor of given number, prime factor of given number. So from this practice set 11, I have done these 2 sums for you all. Rest all question you are going to solve it by yourself. Here as question number 3, if you will check, this 23 will not factorize more. Why? Because 23 is itself a prime numbers. So here you will not get any of factors. So factor of 23 will remain 23 only. That means it is 23 multiplied by 1 only you will get. So likewise you are going to do for rest all question. Hope you all are clear with factorization into prime factors. So this rest all question you are going to solve it in your notebook as how I have done these 2 sums for you all.